y'all. It's not on you no more.
Whatever. You still got my shoulder. Hit the shoulder there. Must be the. I need.
Stop playing with him.
Jada Vinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch. Got him asking.
So we're just gonna hop right into it. I'm using the Melanie Mills Peach Deluxe by Sandra Deluxe. It's almost like a primer. It makes my skin very radiant and dewy. I really love it. So I'm using that now. Then I'm gonna go on with my Kat Von D foundation. Slather it all over my face. We have never been afraid of any foundation. I'm gonna begin by brushing it on first. Then you guys are gonna see that I'm gonna use my beauty blender to further blend it out. I don't know, for me, I use a lot of foundation, but in the end, it doesn't look like a lot of foundation. It just looks flawless and very natural. And you guys can see I'm dabbing a bit more foundation on. But yeah, next I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I have a full eyebrow tutorial, so I'll link one in the card and in the description, so be sure to check that out. After my brows, I always, and I mean always, conceal them. And I'm using the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Ginger to do so. And I literally always do this. Like, there's never a time where I don't do this. Just blended it out and taking a little food break. You know me. Yes. I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Concealer. This has been my go-to concealer. This is in the shade 330. Then I go on top of it without blending it with the shade 300. And I don't know, I've really been digging this concealer. Or maybe it's the only concealer that I have, but I've been loving it. So if you haven't tried it, I tell you to try out the concealer. It's a lot better than the setting powder. And we're going to just blend it out with a damp beauty blender. And just blend and blend and blend and blend. And blend and blend. And he's bringing me some more food. Oh my God. It was just so good. I couldn't say no. Oh my God, it was so good. That right there was delicious. Yeah, it was delicious. Next, I'm going to begin setting my, checking my teeth, but setting my under eyes. Well, everywhere that I put concealer, I'm setting it with the Fenty Beauty Powder. I'm really dabbing it into the skin. Then I'm going to dust it off. I just can't bake with this stuff. It leaves me really ashy. So I dab it into the skin and I dust it off like real fast. So here I am just dusting it off. After I dust off the setting baking powder, I go in with a powder by Complexion. So I'm going to use the Cover FX and literally press it all over my face, even under my eyes. This helps me have no flashback and it just gives me a flawless finish. Yes. Next, I'm going in with my black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This is my favorite contour palette literally ever. It's from the drugstore. It's $7 and it's bomb. Like, I can't say anything else that it's bomb. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. blush and I use the orangey brown shade, but I'm using the e.l.f. brush, and then another little quick video. Good. 117, guys.
I think so.
No, this looks great. This looks really good.
On video.
Yeah, Amazon wig. And it feels good. The curls feel nice. Hair smells good.
Liza hair.
Liza hair? No, it's okay. No, this looks really good. The hairline. Back to the video. I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby, putting it all over my face, on my nose. Then I'm going to set my face with the Jurlique Rosewater Setting Spray. This is my favorite setting spray ever. It is $35, but I love it. I just cannot use anything else but this. I literally love this. I love it. Jurlique sponsor me. I love the setting spray. Yes. Lastly, what am I going to do? I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Blush Gum lip gloss and just slather it on my face. And there goes my husband's grandma. We were dabbing, having fun. This was actually Easter day. This is how I wear my makeup on Easter. This is how I always wear my makeup. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie. This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Popping tags, these bitches.